Okay, so let's see how we can solve another question from the third chapter of the Meriam textbook, Engineering Mechanics. And we have a 120-pound crate that rests on the 60-pound pickup tailgate. We need to calculate the tension T in each of the two restraining cables. So we're going to have one cable in here and one in the back. And we also have the center of gravity G1 and G2 for the crate and the tailgate, so we know that the crate is located midway between the two cables. So we're gonna start with the free body diagram of this part, which would be the tailgate. So let's see what forces do we have. So we're gonna have the weight of crate applying on this. We know the weight of crate is 120 pounds. So we're gonna have 120 pound in here. We're gonna have the weight of the tailgate, which is 60 pounds. So we're gonna have 60 pounds. And since we have two cables and the question is asking for the tension in each cable, we're gonna put this 2T. And since we have a pin at point O, we're gonna consider OX and OY. The question is not asking us to find those, but I'm just trying to show all the forces that we have for this free body diagram. Let's just call our X and Y in here. And we're gonna be in equilibrium, so we have three equations, which are sum of all forces in X equals 0, sum of all forces in Y, and we're gonna have our moment equations. So three unknowns in here, which are OX, OY, and T, and three equations. We should be able to find all of them. But if we just do the moment about point O, counterclockwise positive, we're going to get rid of all the unknowns at point O, and we should be able to find the T in one shot. As long as we can resolve the force T into two components, finding the moment shouldn't be that hard. We can see that the X component is not going to make any moment about point O, so we're going to have the Y component of the 2T. And for finding that, we need to figure this angle out, and that's also not that hard. Look at this right triangle that I'm highlighting in green in here. We can see that the tangent of theta would be the opposite, which is 12 over the adjacent, which would be 9.5 plus 2.75, which is going to be 12.25. So we can find theta pretty easy. You just have to find the tangent inverse of that value. So tangent inverse of 12 divided by 12.25. This is going to give us 44.41 degrees. And we can see that the y component of 2t would be 2t sine of theta. Let's just go with the moment of each of these. So let's go with the weight of the crate first. So the moment is going to be in this direction, so counterclockwise. So positive moment times the distance would be the distance from G to point O, which we can see on top is 14 inches. We're going to have the moment of the 60 pound also counterclockwise, so 60, and the distance would be 9.5. And we're going to have the moment of the y component of the 2t, which is going to be a clockwise moment, so negative 2t sine of theta, which was 44.41 degrees. And we're going to have the distance from A to O, which is, we already found this one, 12.25, what we found for our green right triangle. And we're going to have only one unknown in here, which is t, so we can find t pretty easy. So we're going to have 120 times 14 plus 60 times 9.5. And here we're going to have 2 sine of 44.41 times 12.25. And this is going to give us 131.24 pounds for the tension in cable, and the final answer for this question. Hope everything was clear. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and you guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.